Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Glowing English class. It's great to see you again. In today's lesson, we will talk about something many learners struggle with: understanding English movies without using subtitles. Watching English movies can be exciting but also difficult. The actors often speak fast, some words are hard to catch, it's easy to miss important parts of the conversation. One moment you understand, then the next part sounds too quick or unclear. This can make watching movies stressful instead of fun. But don't worry, many English learners face this problem in the beginning. The good news is you can improve your listening skills and you can enjoy English movies without subtitles, step by step. Before we look at how to do this, I want to share a small story with you. It's about a boy who had the same problem, but something changed in the way he learned and it helped him a lot. Let's find out what happened. This is Jake. He's a 14-year-old boy. Jake loves watching movies, especially action movies like Spider-Man and Avengers. One evening, Jake sat down to watch Spider-Man Homecoming. He was very excited. He grabbed some popcorn, turned off the lights, and pressed play. But after just 5 minutes, he looked confused. The actors were talking so fast. Words like neighborhood, mission, and protocol came up. He had never heard some of these words before. He tried to keep watching, but he didn't understand what they were saying. He kept pausing the movie. He tried to guess the meaning, but it was too hard. After 20 minutes, Jake felt tired and sad. He turned off the TV and said, "Why can't I understand English movies without subtitles? I know English, but movies are too fast. What's wrong with me?" The next day at school, Jake spoke to his English teacher, Miss Aya. "I watched Spider-Man last night, no subtitles. I couldn't understand anything." The teacher smiled and said, "That's normal, Jake. Understanding movies takes time and practice." She gave him a few simple tips. "Start small," she said. "Watch easy movies first. Use subtitles. Repeat scenes. You'll improve day by day." Jake felt a little better. Maybe he wasn't bad at English, he just needed the right way to practice. Now, let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah is a student. She loves English movies, especially romantic comedies. One day, she tried to watch her favorite movie, The Princess Diaries, but she didn't understand much. The people in the movie were speaking too fast. She felt sad and thought, "Will I ever understand English movies without subtitles?" But Sarah didn't give up. The next day, she got an idea. She said, "I will try something small every day." So she picked a short 2-minute movie clip. Just a small scene. First, she watched it with subtitles. She read each line while listening carefully. Then she watched the same clip again without subtitles. At first, she didn't understand everything, but that was okay. She repeated this every day with different clips. Some days she watched the same clip 5 or 6 times. She also paused and repeated the dialogues out loud. Her favorite line was, "Shut up," not because it's rude, but because it sounded funny in the movie. After a few weeks, something amazing happened. Sarah watched the movie scene one evening without subtitles, and suddenly she understood most of it. She smiled and said, "Wow, I'm getting better." It was not magic, it was practice. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day. No big books, no boring lessons, just fun with movies. So remember, you don't need to understand everything in one day. Start small, be regular, and enjoy the process, just like Sarah. So how can you understand English movies without subtitles? Don't worry, you can do it step by step. Here are 5 easy steps to help you. Step 1. Start with easy movies or cartoons. When you begin, don't watch difficult movies. Try simple ones. Cartoons are best. They use easy English and speak slowly. Good examples are Finding Nemo, Frozen, or Peppa Pig. These are fun and easy to understand. Step 2. Watch with subtitles first. Turn on English subtitles. This means you can read the words while you listen. If you don't understand something, pause the video, listen again, read again, repeat as many times as you want. This helps your ears and eyes work together. Step 3. Watch the same movie again without subtitles. Now turn off the subtitles. Watch the same movie again because your brain remembers the sounds and words. You will understand more this time. It's like training your brain. Step 4. Repeat short scenes out loud. Choose a small scene and speak with the characters. Say the same lines as they say. Try to copy their voice, tone, and speed. This helps you speak better and remember faster. Step 5. Learn common phrases and sounds. Movies often use short, everyday phrases like, "What's up? Let's go. I'm in." Learn these phrases. You will hear them again and again. Soon, you will understand them without thinking. Follow these 5 steps, practice every day. Soon, you will understand English movies even without subtitles.